Hello, my dear employer. I'm Marnie. I'm 39 years old from Philippines. I have three kids. My eldest is boy. He is 18 years old. My second is girl, 15, and the youngest is 9 years old. Way back 2018-2021, I worked nanny in Saudi Arabia. I work with the Saudia employer with three kids, but my responsibility is only the infant. The twin infant is 0 months old when I came there. My duties are taking care of the babies, feeding, changing diaper and clothes, bathing, giving vitamins and medicine if needed. My previous employer are trusted me in doing household chores like mopping, cleaning the kitchen, laundry, sometimes marketing, and cooking. I am cheerful, I am joyful, and also loving for the children. When the children become kids, we have an indoor and outdoor activities. In indoor activities, we have counting, memorizing nursery rhymes, ABCs, and children's songs. When we are outside, like in the playground or play area, we do the cycling or bicycle, running, jumping, and all the activities for kids. Sometimes my madam allow me to bring the children in the pool with her supervision also because they are twins. Most of the time, they go outside country and they bring me as the nanny of two kids. My dear employer, if you are looking for a nanny, I hope you given me a chance to work in your family. Thank you.